All right, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. I think I said 2020 on my last ones. Sorry if I did. Anyways, it is 2021. We're going to leave 2020 behind and move ahead. I didn't get much time to trade today. I only had 45 minutes. Oh. I got something in 10 minutes. Okay, so I have an appointment in 10 minutes and I wanted to see if I could just get a little bit in today. I'm really trying to work with just what I have during that time, and it really just takes me being focused. When I'm not focused, may not catch anything during that time, or I may just catch a few really rough ones. Today was all right. I have some work to do. Obviously, that's just part of being human. And guys, don't forget that we have that 50% off the You Profit Trader. Use that code that you will see right down below if you want to join it. Please, if you want to see the guide, there is 3 parts to it. I'm only sharing the first part right now. We'll have the second part probably next week ready to share. I've already got some feedback on it. Like I said, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. And I'm grateful that you are willing to look at more than just the first part. So I just wanted to say that direct to your face. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. And as always, enjoy the show. What is up, responsible day traders? Good morning. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So we have not made new highs, but we've also not changed to a purple BB. It does look like it's trying to pull in, but we see little reversal bars saying more up. I'm also looking at the bigger tick chart. Definitely looking like it wants to break through here. We have reached that high that's held several times, but I think we may see it actually break through this time. Nice strong run towards it. Oh, that's the ES. That's why I was like, why can't I see that line? And I think we're gonna give this one a quick shot. So it's working its way up just a little bit here. I like that it was leading higher, still pushing up. If it doesn't follow through, we're going to close out pretty quickly. Didn't take it, so I pulled it in. I think I'm in a bad spot to get hit. Yeah, that's okay. I didn't want to leave my risk all the way back here. It's got little weak signs of down, but above with the EMAs opening up. What I think we're going to see happen is this pull back a little bit deeper into the EMAs. But I don't see a super clear sign of it happening right this moment with these starting to push up. good. I think it's starting to roll over now. As long as we don't see these pull back up, we're good. They were pulling up for just a moment. It's getting closer and closer there, not pushed through just yet. I move it to a +1. There we go. I'm just moving in little bit by little bit as we're reaching that first area. If it comes back, I am totally cool with that. Yeah. Started to get a little bit of white BBs. Just going against the overall move, which was to the upside. We do have some divergence that says we're trying to move it down, but I'm not looking for huge wins today. I'm really just looking to take a little bit of profit and move on with the day. Guys, when this does finally move, I just want to show you. This has been basically since the 10th of just junk. So when it does move, it's going to be a big move, because usually for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So if it holds out for a long time, it's going to bounce for a long time or push for a long time. Question is where? According to this, it looks like it should be up, but I'm not going to fight anything. I'm just going to watch and wait. I have moved my microphone, so I don't know if this is better or not, but y'all let me know. I have a microphone stand now, like a big kid. Yeah, okay, so definitely could see long here, right? But just, I taken it here. I don't know what was holding me back from taking it here, knowing that we had some space to run and feeling like this was going to be the one that ran us through. I just pulled back, and we'll see. Right now we're reaching the top Bollinger Band here, and this isn't really saying a lot of oomph, and we're leading a lot lower here. So I would at the very, very least anticipate a pullback off of these top Bollinger Bands before it continues. But look at what the 10946 is doing. This is the first time we've seen it not get inside of the Bollinger Bands and really try to continue up here. Got inside the Bollinger Bands here and here, started to look like strength up here, tried. This has more of a chance. This has more of a chance because it's got more of that strong look to it than we've seen so far, but these are not, they're not really pulling apart. I like to pull this together for more perspective, right? Because when we have it spread out, everything looks strong. When we pull it in together, we can see a lot more perspective between the price and the MACDs. So having perspective on these things is huge. So that's part of the reason I don't have this spread out really far, because everything looks strong. I want to have some perspective on it, and I try and keep it pretty tight together, because now we can see not exactly strong. This pull off of the area looks pretty strong, like this one did here. And guess what? Didn't reach that high, just like back in here, right? Didn't reach the high. Hit that top Bollinger Band. Looks like we're pulling off. I think this might have a bit more of a chance to pull back and continue up. Look how weakly this went up to the top Bollinger Band. And this one was a pretty straight shot. It's still though that like stop right at the area after hitting it so many times. If it does go through and we don't go through with it, is okay, because it's easy to expect it to pull off of that area after hitting it just so many flippin' times. We can see just boom, boom, went through a little bit. Well, here, came back, went through a little bit, getting close here. Boom, 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 boom. All these little ones here again. Like I said, it has a little bit more. I like how the BBs are getting wider here. It has a little bit more flavor behind it to go up, but I don't know that I completely trust it. And I've only got about 10 minutes left of trading, so I tend to force things whenever that happens. So let's go ahead. You know what? I'm just gonna have to take my 2 trades and call it a day. Because after this today, I got some stuff on my plate. 875, I'll take it. So I moved these 2 targets, which is something that I've been playing with, is taking that two exit and move it further, and take the first one out and then move the risk up. But I still protected profits there. So I got 3 points here. So 1.5, and then this was 2 3-tick winners, which made it 3 points in total. I went ahead and took the first one because I wasn't feeling comfortable, which, you know, I probably should have done on this one too, the same way. But yeah, so let's go ahead and mark these up and call it a day. Okay, after not getting good sleep last night, I didn't get to sleep until almost 2 a.m. That was my bad, because I took my vitamins a little bit late, forgetting that one of them was an energy supplement, and I was up all night. So I took a nap this morning. So after taking a nap and not sure if I was going to trade today, feeling pretty good about just making a quick 8.75 points. I have had some of y'all request the guide. Thank you. I very much appreciate it. I've already started getting feedback from it. Love the feedback. I'm very, very grateful for you. Grateful. There we go. I'm grateful today. All right, guys. I'm gonna call that a day. I will be back one more day this week. Tomorrow might be a little bit full. Oh no, Friday is full. Tomorrow I might have a little bit of time. We'll see. I have things on my schedule. So I hope everybody has the most wonderful Wednesday. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love spending time with you, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to spend a little more time with me, head on over to www.responsibledaytrading.com. Click on the Start Your Free Course and Learn How to Get Funded button, and set up a time to talk with one of our traders. And before you know it, we'll be spending a lot of time together.